So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today, I have solved the problem of stack, and our problem is balanced parenthesis. Although we have solved this earlier, but in this problem, the problem states that we have given a question, and there are multiple parentheses. There are three type of parentheses: closed, curly, and mm, small parentheses. And if they are in a valid order and they are equal in amount, so we have to return null. And if it is not there may be multiple cases, like we have the starting parenthesis but does not have the closed parenthesis, so opening bracket is available while the closing bracket is not available. That may be a case, or maybe a wrong parenthesis availability, means two open parentheses are given and one open, closed parenthesis is given. So overall we should have equal number of pair in a particular correct order, so that will be the valid parenthesis. So for this, we have used the concept of a stack. We have initialized the stack, and we have put all the parentheses that are open in our stack. And after that, we are going to match our top element. And for this question, there must be a condition that our top element, our last parenthesis that we have inserted in our stack, uh, and our next parenthesis that will be the closed one that encountered firstly should be same. If they are same, so they so our closed parenthesis that is in our stack pops out, and we moves forward. So this process continues until we reaches to our last parenthesis and it got also popped out and our stack got empty. If stack got empty, return true. And if there is any element remaining, or maybe a wrong encountered parenthesis has arrived, so we will check these two condition and return false. So that's how we will able to solve this problem. And um, and today I have also solved two questions of our lead code problem, where our first question was to make a stack using a queue. So for this, I have used a single queue and made our stack by reversing the values of our queue using push and pop operation. So uh, that is our question that we have discussed yesterday, and I have solved this today. And another problem is to make a queue using stack. So for this, I have used to stack and simply follow up the conditions that I have told earlier yesterday. So for this, for our first stack element will take the element that is given, and after this our s1 copies to s2 and our x inserted to our s1, and then our s2 elements got inserted back to our s1. So that's how, although they will be stacked, but they will act as a queue, because due to LIFO, last in first out order, our s2 element will copied back in s1 in form of a queue as our last element, that is the first element for the queue, will be inserted firstly in our s1 step. So that's how we will able to solve that problem. And we have multiple operation like push operation, pop operation, top operation, and size operation. So basically I think that push operation is the main operation for which we have to somehow brainstorm, and for rest of the operation they are simply returned back as the top element. And if there is size, so return the size. And that's how we will able to solve this question also. So today I have solved these two question over lead code, and also the parenthesis problem over lead code, and as well as on my notes as. So for today this is the update, and we will be continue this journey. Until that, stay tuned, stay happy.